Let's delve into the captivating story of Natalia Kuznitzova. Natalia surpasses the notion of an ordinary bodybuilder. Standing tall at an impressive height of 5 feet 7 inches and weighing over 220 pounds during the off season, she has dedicated a staggering 15 years to her training. Through sheer determination and unwavering commitment, she has earned an IFBB Pro League card and secured multiple world records in deadlifting, bench pressing, and arm lifting. Natalia's prowess as an athlete extends beyond her impressive achievements. She defies stereotypes associated with female bodybuilders, proving that with extreme hard work and patience, nothing is insurmountable. Contrary to popular belief, female bodybuilders need not sacrifice their femininity. Natalia's Instagram profile exemplifies her ability to effortlessly embrace a fierce appearance. While many would shy away from such a demanding lifestyle, Natalia's unwavering dedication to her routine is truly awe inspiring. She dedicates several hours each day to training and adheres to a strict protein rich diet. Her physique is nothing short of remarkable. Alongside her exceptional accomplishments, Natalia has also grabbed headlines for her perspectives on love and relationships. Despite having more substantial biceps than her husband, she strongly believes in mutual love and supports fostering happiness in a relationship. Natalia's story is a testament to the power of determination, shattering preconceived notions and achieving greatness while maintaining a balanced perspective on love and life.